Dune House by Herbst Architects in New Zealand. The site is a large dunescape, carpeted with Muehlenbeckia, which undulates and rolls SW to NE down to a long east coast beach. Planning restrictions stipulated a 200 m setback from the high water mark. The brief called for a main house with 2 bedrooms and 2 smaller sleepout structures. The qualities of the site are singular, softly undulating land and a very strong uninterrupted horizon line drawn by the ocean against the sky. Our concept emerges from these 2 singularities. A simple rectilinear form is sheathed in a light rain screen of timber battens. The top edge of the rain screen is sharply cut to introduce a strong horizontal line reflecting the horizon and delineating the built form. The underside of the rain screen is cut to soft curves which conceptually mirror the surrounding dunes and soften the form in the landscape. The rain screen describes a platform onto which the house functions are arranged. In terms of siting, the buildable area along the 200 m setback line was in a depression in the dunes. The view of the ocean, however, was established to be best at the highest that the planning rules would allow. In order to keep as close to the beach as possible, and to maximize the potential view but avoid a double-story structure in the landscape, we constructed the building on stilts, then recontoured the land around to bring the dunes to the new floor level. The 3 buildings on the site are linked with boardwalks which float above the Muehlenbeckia and retain the integrity of the dunescape.